Hello everyone, this is my computer science IA, and this is me showcasing my product which I did for my client who is a teacher. And the product is based off of the success criteria which was made according to the needs of the client. So the first thing that the client requested was a simple design which will be easily accessible for kids. As we can see here, the design is fairly simple. The product is not too bright or flashy, so kids won't be easily distracted. Second point is the ability to create new flashcards. If we input both fields correctly, like let's say 1 plus 1, and then we add a question mark and the answer is 2. If we add flashcard and then we click show flashcards, we could see that it has been added to our application. Another example being 2 plus 2, the answer 4. Add the flashcard, and yet again we can see that it has been added. The third point is the ability to delete a flashcard. Yet again, if we answer both fields correctly, 2 plus 2, and the answer being 4, and then we remove the flashcard, we could see here that the flashcard has officially been removed. And then point 4, quiz system, which will allow the user to test themselves. So if we click the start quiz button, we can see that it will display which flashcards and how many we have, and this will allow the user to input the answer into the answer field. And moving on to the fifth point, which is the ability to check the inputted answer to see if it's correct or wrong. In the answer field, let's say we put 2 as the answer to the flashcard. If we check our answer, we can see that there will be a pop-up saying that we were correct. And if a user wants to retest themselves, all they have to do is relaunch the application. So if we go ahead and close it up and then relaunch our flashcard application, we can see that it has been reset and it's fresh, so the user can start quiz again and input the right or wrong answers. The client also wanted a simple working space, so I left some blank space here in case the user wants to brainstorm ideas for a flashcard, or if a question is a bit more difficult and they need space for working out, they can easily do that. Point 8 is if a user inputs wrong or missing information, they will be informed. So let's say I don't have any information for my fields and I click add flashcard. A pop-up will say that both question and answer fields must be filled, indicating that they need to input both fields. And then the last part of the success criteria is the ability for flashcards to be saved for later use. Just now I relaunched my application, and as we can see, if we click show flashcards, the initial 1 plus 1 question that we added at the beginning is still here, indicating that flashcards which are added will be able to be used later on as well. Obviously this design can be further improved, and a user can add new features if required, but this product is mainly constructed based on the needs of my client. The way in which my program can be extended is summed up in 2 ways. So firstly, I put comments on my code explaining how each part of it works so that any further developer who wants to extend the product can easily understand my code. These comments can also be seen in my Criteria C document. And the second way is that my program is built using functions and object-oriented programming, so modifications and new features can be added without disturbing the other parts of the code, improving its stability. Thank you very much.